What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about being ready for anything, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into Costco to uncover the top 10 preps you absolutely need to pick up every single time you shop here. Whether you're a seasoned prepper or just starting out, these essentials are must-haves for every household. These aren't just your average groceries. These are the critical supplies that could make all the difference for your family in a crisis, whether it's a natural disaster, power outage, or unexpected emergency. We're talking about items with a long shelf life, unbeatable value, and zero need for refrigeration. These are the backbone of any solid emergency plan. Even if you think you have enough rice and water, trust me, keep adding to your stash. When it comes to the basics, there's no such thing as too much, especially when you're preparing for the unexpected. The goal here isn't just to scrape by, it's to thrive, stay comfortable, and maybe even lend a helping hand to your neighbors or friends in need. Think of this as your step-by-step blueprint for total preparedness, building your safety net one Costco cart at a time. I'll break down exactly what to grab, explain why each item is crucial, and show you how to build a massive, reliable supply without blowing your budget. Smart shopping is key. By the end of this video, you'll have a rock-solid plan to transform your pantry into a prepper's paradise, organized, efficient, and ready for anything. And for each item on this list, I'm showing you how to buy enough to keep a family of 4 safe and well-fed for an entire year. Let's jump in and get started. Number 1 is rice, the king of calories, and truly the backbone of any serious prepper's food supply. Rice is the foundation of any prepper pantry, and for good reason. It's affordable, filling, and stores incredibly well. Those massive 25-pound bags at Costco are a prepper's dream. For just a few bucks, you get a bag that lasts for decades, packs over 40,000 calories, and can feed you and your family for weeks in an emergency. Rice is endlessly versatile. Eat it plain, mix it with canned meat or beans, toss it into soups, or even grind it into flour for baking. It's a blank canvas for any meal, and it pairs well with almost anything you have on hand. For the price of just a couple of coffees, you're buying weeks, sometimes months, of survival food. It's hard to find a better deal for your dollar. Make it a habit. Every Costco trip, toss another bag in your cart, even if you think you have enough. You'll thank yourself later. Stack them in your garage, basement, closet, or anywhere you have space. The more you accumulate, the more secure you'll feel. The goal is simple. Make running out of rice absolutely unthinkable. You want to be the person with enough rice to weather any storm. When it comes to preparedness, rice gives you the best return on investment. It's cheap, calorie-dense, and easy to store. Build yourself a mountain of rice. Your future self and your family will thank you when times get tough. If you do nothing else for your food preps, do this. Start with rice, and you're already ahead of the game. Rice is the cornerstone of your preps, the one item you should never be without. Now let's move on to what you'll need to see in the dark, because food is only part of the equation. Grab that bag of rice and let's keep rolling. Next up, batteries, your lifeline when the lights go out. Next up, let's talk about batteries, specifically AA and AAA sizes, which are the unsung heroes of emergency preparedness. In a blackout, these little powerhouses become your lifeline, keeping flashlights, radios, clocks, and even some medical devices running when you need them most. Costco's giant multi-packs are a steal, offering unbeatable value, and many brands promise a shelf life of up to 10 years, so you can buy in bulk and not worry about them expiring anytime soon. Make it a habit. Never leave the store without grabbing a pack. Alternate between AAs and 8AAs each trip to keep your supply balanced for all your devices. Store your batteries in a cool, dry place, think utility room or closet, and aim to have hundreds on hand, not just a few dozen. You'll thank yourself later. When the lights go out, you'll be surprised how quickly you burn through batteries, especially if you're powering multiple devices for your family. Imagine a week-long outage. Suddenly, flashlights and headlamps become priceless, and every battery counts. Don't wait until you're running low or the shelves are empty. Stock up now, while supplies are plentiful and prices are low. Food and water are absolutely vital, but having power for light, communication, and safety gives you a huge advantage in any emergency. Grab multiple packs each trip and build a serious stockpile. Think of it as insurance for your peace of mind. Batteries are one of the most overlooked preps out there. Don't make the mistake of skipping them or assuming you have enough. Make batteries a permanent item on your shopping list. Add them to your cart every single time and you'll never be caught off guard. Light up your world when it matters most. Keep your family safe, comfortable, and connected. Now let's talk protein. On to canned meat. With carbs and power covered, it's time for protein, canned meat. Costco's canned chicken, tuna, salmon, and even Spam are long-lasting, high-protein, and need no refrigeration. Rotate your purchases. Chicken one trip, tuna the next, then corned beef or Spam. Variety prevents palate fatigue and keeps morale up. Mix canned meat with rice and veggies for a complete meal. These are the building blocks for dozens of emergency meals. Protein is essential for strength and energy in a crisis. Today I'm grabbing a case each of chicken, tuna, salmon, and Spam. Build a protein portfolio for any situation. Don't skip this aisle. Canned meat is non-negotiable. Add it to your cart and let's keep going. Next up, cooking oil. Let's make those meals count. Cooking oil is essential. Adds calories, flavor, and lets you fry, not just boil, your food. Costco's giant jugs of olive or coconut oil are perfect for bulk prepping. Coconut oil lasts even longer and is calorie-dense. Rotate your oils. Use the oldest first, keep your supply fresh. If you have enough liquid oil, switch to coconut oil or shortening for longer shelf life. Oil boosts morale. Imagine frying potatoes during a blackout. It's a small thing that makes a huge difference. Grab a massive jug of olive oil today. Add it to your stockpile and keep your rotation tight. Fat is flavor, calories, and essential for survival. Never let your oil run dry. Peanut butter. Calorie-dense, packed with protein and fat, no cooking needed, and lasts ages. Costco's 2-packs are a prepper's dream. Thousands of ready-to-eat calories in one container. In an emergency, a spoonful can be a lifesaver. It's a huge morale booster, especially for kids. No fire, no stove, just a spoon. Instant energy and comfort. If you already have a stash, diversify with jam or almond butter. For this trip, I'm grabbing the classic Kirkland 2-pack. You can never have too much peanut butter. It's the ultimate emergency food. Simple, effective, and filling. Add it to your cart. Next, let's make meals even easier. On to soup and chili. Soup and chili. Comfort food and the easiest emergency meal. Costco's cases are perfect for stocking up. Canned soups and chilies are complete meals. Just heat and eat. They save water and fuel and boost morale on tough days. Grab a different case each trip. Chicken noodle, beef stew, chili. Variety keeps spirits up and meals interesting. After a long day, a hot bowl of soup is pure comfort. Don't underestimate the power of familiar food. Today, I'm adding a big case of chili to the cart. That's a dozen easy, no-fuss meals ready to go. Soup and chili are critical for a well-rounded prep. Now let's sweeten things up. Morale matters. Canned fruit is your secret weapon. Costco's cases of peaches, pears, and fruit cocktail last for years and break up the monotony. A little sweetness can change your whole outlook in a crisis. They're a source of vitamins and quick energy, but most importantly, they're a treat. Rotate your fruit peaches one trip, pears the next, then mandarin oranges. It's not just food, it's mental health insurance. Today, I'm grabbing a case of fruit cocktail. Pure happiness in a can. Add it to your cart. Prepping is about more than survival. It's about sanity. Next, let's get our greens. Vegetables are vital. Don't skip them. Costco's cases of green beans, corn, peas, and mixed veggies are cheap, nutritious, and last for years. Add them to soups, rice, or eat as a side. Get those essential vitamins and minerals. Rotate your veggies, corn one trip, green beans the next, then carrots or potatoes. Avoid nutritional deficiencies. Scurvy is real. A healthy body handles stress better. Today, I'm grabbing a case of green beans. Simple, nutritious, and versatile. Add it to your cart. Cover all your bases. Veggies are non-negotiable. Now let's talk comfort. Toilet paper. Don't laugh, it's gold in a crisis. Costco's giant packs are legendary. Stock up before there's a rush. Aim for at least 100 rolls in your stash. Sanitation is key to health and morale. Don't get caught short. Every trip, grab a big pack and stack them wherever you can. 1 pack a month builds a mountain of TP in a year. Don't wait for shortages, prepare now. Today, I'm grabbing a massive pack for the cart. Comfort and hygiene matter as much as food. Being prepared means thinking of everything. Never run out of toilet paper. Add it to your cart. Let's finish strong with your personal pharmacy. Medications and supplements. critical for any prepper. In an emergency, you can't just run to the pharmacy. Stock up on pain relievers, allergy meds, cold remedies, antacids, and vitamins. Costco's big bottles are a bargain. Rotate what you buy each trip. Vitamins fill nutritional gaps if your diet is limited. Always check expiration dates and use the oldest first. Don't forget first aid supplies, band-aids, ointments, and a solid kit. Treating minor issues at home is essential when help isn't available. Today, I'm grabbing a twin pack of ibuprofen, 1,000 tablets. Health is wealth, especially in a crisis. Add it to your cart and round out your haul. Now, let's wrap it up. That's it. 10 essential Costco preps to buy every time. Build your stockpile one trip at a time and you'll be ready for anything. Consistency is key. No need for a giant shopping spree. What are your go-to Costco preps? Share your tips in the comments. The best ideas come from this community. Let's help each other get prepared. Thanks for watching. Hope this gives you a clear, actionable plan. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. More prepping tips and challenges are coming your way. Stay safe, stay prepared, and see you in the next one.